Dagban power kat kubara ba mi da bobo. Kami tungwana tempu the way of life za. So an kunu chang to bwa tunzundu na tunzun pana. O che no ko sa ro zo bia na nyin ndora. So la gabu gama tan bobola. Ka ku ba da mampa.
So mbana yina shepolo in yila Volta region. Ni na shepolo ma double song la power. Ka pa song the double do e chan phone o mino panchana. Pa e zuro o mino yida don zuro. Sometimes ga pa manu to bjera ka ku to zuro zuro. So are you trying to tell me that anya Dagban Doo ma that aku to song ko zuro because she's sick o ku to lan zuro zuro. So you are all eating together. Is the bella o yen zuro ka o konkodzi amino yenti ko tabjara kaya no bombo anya Dagban Doo ma zo nyimbe sa adzuri because the enjila case na madabachang. So
ambe this condition pa abjarwe. So whatever can no nyabandruna katidi I'll do it.
It's not all the time like you feel like cooking. Some days are there you are tired, you are too tired, you are not sick. Abjara. But the woman atum la tumahale maybe let's take housewives for instance. Maybe you are in the house the whole day. You are taking care of the house, you have swept, you have cleaned, you have washed, like you've done general cleaning. So are you trying to tell me that bukuna ba uniform daya ka pa uniform ka job nzuru tiba ka pang mana nyindo ngon nyama ngono le pale kala pang mana ka to kwam sala shan ka kuna tusu kar wuma ka kar that's why like your family house pa ngo yen se puliga feel lore ka nyindo kuna nansi ya na bimbo anyala Dagban Doo zo abe so ko zui onye pazo o tmanyala no yisu land zuta marabanna
to anya generation no ingawrati ya masham. You want us to share us about the pergutuma tawa ama
marriage is about
each money ka be yan yuma tu share mbianu aka gwanna kan ba yisamba nan to bona katiji tumbor pa ma mbu nan tijiro ka yinu ka sunu obin shakam akubo no obin shakam yinu pasu be school fee dumbo so mbo na tigi changda ni to bobiana mambo bora ku be yan ntumda yuntuma
da ma chankana da ma den chara da be la manyela dab ma yi chan pune boko o gon ko yi chan o yen kwame kam me like kapvo dana ntata pa ko me from nang ban shaka. But these days if what do women bring on the table? What do you bring on the table? You want me to go out there bring something on the table and still perform? Yes, you want to bring 10 cities, she should bring 10 cities. You want to bring 100 cities, she should bring 100 cities. But yet you don't want to help me in the kitchen, you don't want to help me in the house. You want me to help you? Yeah, no, like yes,
a little or something.
Yes, something like that.
Look, nyawa tabanu abanang para sar kache zumla yo mun kana to koleterwa do ma yorozo do ma sar kura kache water bill munu yora so pumpo ka daba gwata pale tumdu tusha da ma bunda tumda da pabanda kawra dar ama pumpo daban pa kawra dar how many paba ka anye ko zan cylinder mpa moto zo intanta fili gas na tin da mo nyin lembo lare nda cylinder intanta fili gas na so pumpo ka pa tumale no simple ba pumpo mi ka bumambu ma yise. So I don't get it.
This is the time women want to become career women. Nobody wants to sit in the house and for a man to bring money and then you be like, oh, I'm the one taking care of you, so I want to command you around. We don't care about you controlling us, but then it should come with respect. So the thing is this way. Because you are the one giving me money, you want to tell me what to do and what not to do. Yeah, like you want to literally control everything about me. Okay, I shouldn't sleep. I shouldn't go to my friend's wedding. I shouldn't go to my friend's name. You are hungry. I should wake up and come and cook for you. I don't want to eat this. I want to eat this. Meat. Yes. Why is there no meat? Why is too much Maggi? Why is no salt? Why is no like
soup no oil?
Yes, like there's no oil on top of this. Nice. As if I'm the one producing the granite paste.
I don't know ka oil no scanty the tunu ya na no scanty ka che man tam oil ma aside na ya ne bozo ka yon boara to control ira tene ni bisham dezo ka nde ya wambe injetin she pama tunwara to bola pam na te tegbo ami yang buso shamal ultimate control over here, total control.
So housewives that northern women here they are vulnerable because they fear their husband and then
not
they worship
women.
them.
We shouldn't limit it to northern women. I think African women in general, or Ghanaian women. But then where I come from in Ghana, women are not vulnerable because I'm from Volta region. I've been there. It's not like somebody is telling me. I've seen in fact even here in Tamale here, I've seen my grandpa cook. My grandpa cooked. He's an Ewe. My grandpa cooks. My father cooks. If he feels like cooking, when he feels like eating something, and my mom is tired, or my grandmom is doing something, or she just doesn't feel like cooking, my dad or my grandpa does the cooking. He doesn't go and say, oh, my wife gets up, I feel like eating rice. After she has prepared banku, after she has finished stirring banku and okra soup, then you come and tell her that you feel like eating rice, so she should get up and go and prepare the rice. At the moment I was cooking, you could have told me, honey, I don't feel like eating rice. I feel like
honey. You didn't know honey. I didn't romantic.
Asugon muna tana no henya ho akuza anu tem kumwanda 10 cedi Zanto zeta da jana into dry
tomatoes 3 10 cedis. Tomatoes 3 10 cedis. You don't know. You can get up and give me 50 cedis and you expect me to prepare the light soup. Meat, fish should be there. Chicken should be there. Goat meat should be there.
The fish should be nice.
The fufu should be